Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mikhail the Work Artist. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you wish, if you like, if you want to. It's free. It doesn't cost a thing to like, comment, share, subscribe. But do it at your own pace. Do it at your own free will. Turn on post notifications so you know each time I drop and upload a video. I appreciate all the love and support. Thanks again for tuning in with me for another video. For today's topic subject title, it's going to be titled Narcissist Mothers Don't Want Their Sons to Love a Woman More Than Them. These kind of mothers are sick. They're sick of the head. I mean, a mother's love and a son's love is different. Your son can't love you in the same way that he loves his girlfriend or his wife. You're his mother. He can only love you in a mother way. He cannot love you in a lover way. That's incest. I be thinking, what is wrong with these mothers? How can you want your son to love you as a lover? That's incest. These mothers is nasty, and there are some deep issues that they need help on. Because some mothers be so jealous when a son is very over the hills over a woman. They envy their son being so much into a woman. Like, they get mad and annoyed when their son takes care of a woman very well. He spends a lot of time with this woman. He give her money. He buy things for her. He takes her out on nice dates, nice outings, and he treat her like a queen. I mean, his woman is his number one priority. You're his mother, yeah, and he love you, but his woman is supposed to come first. I mean, he's supposed to treat his girlfriend or wife nice. He's supposed to. He's supposed to wine and dine her and shower her with gifts and give her a lot of love, attention, and affection. He's supposed to. That's his woman. They in love. His woman is supposed to be the apple of his eye. I mean, you're not supposed to love his mother in the same way as his girlfriend or wife. His girlfriend is his romantic partner. They are intimate with each other. So, I mean, a mother, your son love you and respect you. He take care of you if you need something. He come and do for you. Like, if you're sick, of course your son is supposed to come and see about you. He's supposed to take care of you. And he can take you to the store or and He's supposed to give you nice gifts on Mother's Day, but it shouldn't be only just on Mother's Day. I mean, because you can buy for your parent and honor your parent on any day. So your son can honor you on Mother's Day and buy you nice gifts on Mother's Day, and he can buy you nice gifts and honor you on your birthday or any day. Your son can honor you and your son can honor you and give you nice things on any day. As far as Mother's Day, as far as Mother's Day, birthdays, and any day, he can do that. He can check on you. He can visit you. That's a son's love. He can only love you in a son way. But some mothers that are narcissists are very evil and wicked, that they try to tell their sons. Some of these mothers raise their sons and tell them to don't give a woman too much. Don't overgive a woman. Don't overspoil a woman. They will put in their son's head when they are teenagers or young men, don't spoil a woman too much. They don't want their sons to give a woman more than them. They want their sons to be more into them. It's sad that they will tell their sons to don't give a woman what they want to give them. A son is supposed to give a woman what you want. Let your son make his own decision. He's a grown man. He got a brain. Let him make his own decisions. These mothers is nuts. They're so worried about what their son is giving a woman, how their son is treating a woman. They tell their sons to cheat a woman out of what she deserves. If a woman is cooking, cleaning, and she's not cheating on you, she honor you, she respect you, she's submissive, let you rule and be in control, she submit to you. This woman let you be in control. And she let you be in charge. And she honor you. She treat you like a king. You are her king. So this is a good woman. You work, you come home, and she got your meals made for you. You come home from work, and dinner is ready. And dinner is ready. Dinner is ready to be served to you. Your dinner is on the table and is ready to be served to you. I mean, so that's a good woman. You're supposed to give her the amount of money that you want to. If she's a good woman, you can give her large amounts of money if you want to. You give her a lot of materialism. If she's a good woman, you can give her large amounts of money. You can buy her very nice material things, nice pocketbooks, nice shoes. nice clothes, nice dresses. You can buy for her what you want. Nice necklace, nice jewelry, a nice ring. Is she a good woman? You can shower her with money, with nice fashions, nice clothes, nice jewelry. You can give her what you want. You can give her the world if you want to. You can give her the world as you see fit. Yeah, so a mother should never tell a son, don't give a woman too much. Don't overgive her. Don't spoil her too much. Don't give her too much money or too much nice, expensive material things. A mother should never tell her son that, because your son is not your lover. Your son is not your boyfriend. Your son is not your husband. He's your son, only your son. He's your blood son that you brought into this world. This is your child that you made, went through labor with, and just spit him out. Yeah, so these kind of mothers, I don't get them. It's like some kind of sick, twisted incest stuff. And why would you want your son to have love for you in a romantic way? You gotta find a boyfriend or get a husband. Your boyfriend and your husband is supposed to love you in a romantic way, not your son. So these mothers that are narcissists need to stop worrying about how much their son love a woman, how much their son is into a woman, and their son loving a woman over top of them. They need to stop worrying and caring about that and stop stressing over that, because it's not normal. It's sick to worry and stress about your son loving a woman and being into a woman more than you. Stop stressing about it. Stop caring and worrying about it, because it's sick twisted and it's giving off the vibes of incest. Get a boyfriend. Get a husband. Your boyfriend or husband is supposed to love you in a romantic level way, not your son.